My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2023 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just under 17,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it comes with 8 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the touchscreen we can access our mobile apps, navigation and Bluetooth, emergency assistance, Apple and Android CarPlay and Ford Pass Connect. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.